What's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy, easy pizza. And we're going to be using the Joseph Lavash bread. I just picked this up from Walmart last week and I've been using it a ton this week. I shared it on my Instagram and everyone is asking for a recipe. So I'm going to show you how to make it. And this is the actual Joseph Lavash bread. So you get a bang for your buck. This whole piece is like 16 grams of carbs, only like 3 grams of fat. So really good macro-friendly pizza. So first I just set my oven to convect bake for 400 degrees. I'm just gonna spray this with some butter spray first. So just a little bit. I just want the actual bread to get a little bit toasty before I put on all the ingredients. And we're gonna be making a buffalo ranch chicken pizza and then a barbecue chicken pizza. So I sprayed that and then I'm just gonna put it in the oven for probably like 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna watch it so it doesn't turn into a burnt piece of tortilla. So that's on convec bake. Set this for, let's do 3 minutes. And then I'll show you what it looks like after. So it's been at convec bake for about 4 minutes at 400. And, whoa, steam just got in my face. They're a little bit crispy. So I'm gonna take them out. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so now I'm going to put on the sauce. So for the ranch, I just mixed 1 serving of non-fat Greek yogurt. 170 grams is only 6 grams of carbs, 0 grams of fat, so a healthier version for ranch. And then I just added one of these ranch packets, which is 0 everything, so it's freaking awesome. So I'm not gonna put all of this on here because I want to drizzle some on after it's all cooked. So I used about half of it and I do spread it out to the entire piece. I don't leave any bare edges just because they'll literally turn into a cracker. And then for the barbecue one, I'm gonna use this barbecue sauce. You can pretty much get it at any grocery store, Walmart, and it's only 2 grams of carbs per 2 tablespoons, so it's really macro friendly. So I'm just gonna put this one on the other one. So now that we have our bases down, I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken. So for the buffalo one, we just did this Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. Again, super macro friendly, pretty much get it at any grocery store. And then I have 5 ounces of chicken, so we just kind of cut that up super, super tiny, and then mix it up. And then for the barbecue one, we just have regular grilled chicken. I didn't put any barbecue sauce on it just because our base is the barbecue. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this on. Next step is to add any toppings that you'd like. I just sliced up some red onions. Again, slice them really, really thin because you do want them to cook completely because raw red onions taste like crap. And I'm just gonna kind of put this all over. that was about half of a red onion. Next, I'm going to add some cilantro. Again, this is just personal preference. We are going to add the cheese. So I use fat-free mozzarella. So for one serving, it's a 1/4 cup, 0 fat and 2 grams of carb. So again, super macro friendly. And I'm going to use about 3 servings of this for each pizza. So that is everything that I'm going to add to the pizzas, and now I'm just going to pop them into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes on convec bake, 400 degrees. So again, you just kind of want to watch it. Everything's already cooked. You just want the cheese to melt basically. So pop those in. It's 8 minutes and the cheese is pretty melted. So this is what you want it to look like. Sorry, it's really pretty hot. Woo! And then the barbecue one. These look so good. Yeah. Alright, so this is the true test if Connor likes the pizza.
It's good.
It's not bad for healthy pizza.
It hits. The barbecue hits.
Alright, so this is the buffalo one. You kind of have to like taco it into your mouth.
It's really good. I'm really impressed.
Which one do you like better?
Barbecue.
Barbecue?
No.
Okay, well I haven't tried the buffalo one before. So it's not bad for healthy pizza. I hope you guys liked this video. I'll be trying to make more healthy recipes in the future. But seriously, go find that Lavash bread at Walmart. It's the best thing ever. Super macro friendly. You can use it for savory recipes, sweet recipes. It's awesome. But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.